is ready here. Chair, you can see chair. That's all. Because moments are very important in life. Like time will fade away, time will pass away, but the captured moment will be everlasting, will be ever, what to say, evergreen, I will say. So whatever you eat, whatever you did, everything is finished. But whatever I have captured from last 10 years, from last 7 years in school, and I've been recording from last 12, 15, 14 years of my life. So that will be captured and remain as a fresh.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Okay.
Alright, and you can see my stand, camera stand is here. All of my devices are ready here. I'm very excited for this. Okay, his father also. Parents already came. Well, everything is ready.
Okay.
Nice to see you, Father. Good morning, Father.
Hey, good morning. All the best, okay?
Okay, Father.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the start he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Mike.
Vice Principal Sister Regina Bosco, Father Theophil, and Mr. Chetri, my dear parents, teachers, and my dear little ones. Welcome to the Bal Radhika 3 Graduation Day. Today, we all are very happy because it is a very special day for our little ones. Let us welcome our Bal Radhika 3 graduates who are ready to step into a new future from kindergarten to grade 1. Let us all give a big clap for little ones. Dear children, we are so proud of you. Wisdom, knowledge, and success. To begin this program, I would like to request our principal, Father Joshua, Director Father Hilarus, Mr. Chetri, and Lucy, and Lisa Berry to come up on the stage to light the lamp.
Respected Principal Father Joshua, Vice Principal Sister Regina, dedicated Reverend Father Theophil Danglari, dedicated teachers, beloved parents, and our dear students who are going to receive their graduation certificate today. It gives me immense joy and heartfelt pride as the director of the institution to welcome all to this special graduation day celebration of our students. Today marks a beautiful milestone in the lives of our young learners, their very first academic achievement. Our little graduates began their journey with tiny steps, curious mind, and sometimes teary eyes. Over time, those tears turned into smiles, friendship, and confidence. They have learned not only letters and numbers, but also discipline, sharing, kindness, and self-expression. Watching their growth has been one of the greatest rewards for us as educators. Dear parents, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each one of you. Thank you for the trust and confidence you have placed in our school. Entrusting your children to us is a responsibility we never take lightly. Your faith in our vision and your constant cooperation have enabled us to provide a nurturing and stimulation environment for your children. We continue to solicit your cooperation in this regard. We are ever ready to help you in your effort to impart the best education for your children. These days, admission forms to Bharvatika 1, 2 and 3 and also for classes 1 and 2 are being given out from the school. Your encouragement to other parents of your neighborhood would be greatly appreciated by the school. The admission to the other
Teacher, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Tisadori. I read in class Kalpatika 3A. Good morning, everyone. Respected father, sister, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Beyonce. I read in Kalpatika
Aman Poddar.
Ayans, this one, Ayans. Ayans.
की जगह 96 मिले। शायद वो अपने टॉप के कॉलेज में नहीं जा पाएगा, शायद उसने जितने गोल सोचे थे वो अचीव नहीं कर पाएगा। यही सब सोच अब उसके दिमाग में डिप्रेशन का रूप ले रही थी। मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो भी। कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने, इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लो सदा, खुशियाँ झूम लूं या रो सदा, मर जाऊं या जी लो सदा।
इस दुनिया में ना तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है ना ही आसान होता है, सारा खेल मानने का है। जो मानता है कि उसके लिए मुश्किल है तो उसके लिए मुश्किल है, और जो मान लेता है कि मेरे लिए आसान है तो उसके लिए सब आसान है।
जीने के हैं 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जीने के हैं 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवानी, फिर ना आए जवानी, फिर ना आए। जीने के हैं 4 दिन,
step for a photo.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Father, Sisters, dear teachers, all the parents, and my dear little stars of the day. A very good morning to each and everyone present over here. My name is N.P. Chetri, father of Master Aniket Chetri, class 3A, Balvatika. Today is a very special and very emotional day for each one of us. As you can see, our little children are graduating today from their pre-primary school. As a parent, we feel very emotional because the one who were very little yesterday are a little grown up today. We can clearly see them sitting here very confidently in presence of all of us. It feels like yesterday that we have brought our children to this school holding their hands. They were very shy, very little, and very sometimes fearful also to come to school. Sometimes they used to cry when we used to leave them in the school. It feels like yesterday, but now you can see, now they have changed a lot. We can clearly see that they are now very much comfortable here, sitting very much confidently, and they are now coming to school in a very good manner. They are not crying in the schools, we can clearly see over here. So now we can clearly see a lot of change in our children. They can now read, write, they can now recognize alphabets, letters, and they can clearly, we can see that they can draw, and they can read, write, they can recite poems, rhymes, etc. So these all changes is not only because this all success is not only because of our child. A lot of hard work and dedication is being put up there by our respected teachers and the school staff. So from my heart, from my side, and from on the behalf of all the parents, I would like to thank you, all the teachers and all the teaching staffs and administrative staffs of this institution for taking care of our child in such a profound way that they have now grown up into good students and well-disciplined students. As a parents, we know that it's very difficult to take care of children. We are very much not able to take care of only a single children in our home, but a lot of kudos to the teachers who are handling and managing these students, because they can be very much mischievous in the classrooms also. Because we are not able to take care of one single children in our home, but they are taking care of so many children in the classroom. There's a commendable for. And myself being an educator also, I take care of bigger students, but taking care of smaller children like them in a pre-primary level is such a tremendous job, really. And from this stage, I would like to extend my gratitude and thank you to the father and respected father and sisters and all the other staffs of this institute, because they have provided such a good, safe and supportive environment for our children to grow not only in academic activities but mentally and physically also, and most of all, it's very important for our students to grow in good behavior and discipline, and we can clearly see in this is developing in our children. Now, to all my little stars today, this is a very big day for you, all of you. You are graduating today. From now onwards, you will not be in pre-primary level. You will go to the normal academic calendar. You will go to class 1. So, this is your day. Enjoy, smile, learn, take care of yourself, make a good relationship with your friends, and always give respect to your teachers and parents. Lastly, on the behalf of all the parents present over there, I would like to say thank you to all the teaching staff, the school management team from the core of my heart. Thank you very much.
respected father principal, vice principal, respected teachers, respected parents, and my dear junior friends. So first of all, I would like to congratulate each one of you for your graduation day, and myself, Koli Munapura, from class 11 Science A. And now I am going to perform some of the legendary songs of Assam. So first of all, I would like to sing a legendary song of our heartthrob Jubin Garg.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Father Joshua, Vice Principal Sister Regina Bosco, Father Rector and Father Duffy, and my dear friends, and my dear parents and my little star. Today is a very special day filled with smile, laughter and a few happy tears as we came to the ends of our Kingdom Garden journey. My heart is full of pride and joy. Dear children, it feels like just yesterday when you walked into this school, holding tiny hands, some with the lover's eyes. Over time, you learn many things as you move on to primary school. Remember to always believe yourself, be courage and never stop asking questions. I extend our deepest gratitude to our visionary principal, Father Joshua, for his unwavering guidance and for making this milestone celebration possible. A very thanks to our dedicated Vice Principal, Sister Regina Bosco, for her counsel, support and encouragement. To our teachers, thank for your passion, love and dedication. Do not just listen. You shape little hearts and minds with care. To the parents, thank you for trusting us and for your constant support. Thank you all the best.
Thank you, Miss.
Don't make it crowded. যদি বেয়া নাপায় মানে ক্ৰাউড নকৰিলে ভাল আছিলে পেৰেণ্টছ আৰু চিলড্ৰেন এটা এটাকে सहयोग करना ভাল আছিলে आप अगर स्टेज पे एक एक पेरेंट्स के साथ में तो
Hello. Thank you, Akash Sultan. Thank you for your wonderful song. We will always cherish your song, your effort that you and your connected with our school. So we are very much thankful. Now I would like to call.
Duet by them. Akash and Kuali will do duet. Yeah, duet.
Now I'd like to request Kuali, Miss Kuali over the stage and to continue with her performance. And after that we have duet also.
Now we are on the stage. Akash and Kuali.
Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, we will have duet performance of Akash and Kuali over the stage. Here we present Miss Kuali and Akash on the stage. Hello.
Thank you.
with this, we have wind up our graduation day program that has been initiated by Father this time New Year on this particular.
Father, they enjoyed the program.
ইয়া ভেরি গুড আমি একটা সাজেশন ফাটাকে দিলাম ফাটার মানে নেই এই লাইটের দরকার নেই লাইটের জন্য সব কালো কালো হয়ে গেছে।